Hey guys, how's it going? Daniel here. So it's that time of the day of the month again. When it's time to share you guys the top widgets for the month of July. So let's begin. So the first widget here we have is the Notes app. So the Notes widget is just a great widget if you use the Notes app, of course, because you get to see all your notes right on your main homepage from here, so that you know what you need to get done or what notes you need to go back to just read about, or if you're using it as a reminders app, then what you need to be reminded about or what you need to do. But what's also awesome about this widget is that you can actually hold in tab and then go to edit widget and you can select your other folders. So if you have other folders in the Notes app, you could choose whatever folder you have to show up on your widget. Now, of course, as you can see, I only have one folder, and that's the folder I'm currently using to see all the information that I have in my Notes app on the widget, so I don't have to open up the widget to see what type of information I'm looking for. And when I find one, I could just quickly tap right here and that's it, and then it'll open it up, which is really great, so that I can continue whatever notes I have started in that folder of the Notes app. Next, we have Etra. So Etra is an RSS feed app, but the widget is just a great widget if you follow whatever blogs you follow. So here, of course, you get to see is you get to, I have right now only iMore right now that I'm following on the Etra app right here, and so that's what is showing up in the widget right now. It's only iMore stuff. But depending on whatever you follow, of course, it will show up on the widget. And what's also awesome is that when you tap, you can actually go to edit widget, and you can actually have the option to show the favy icons. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. So if you want to, you can have that, but of course it makes it load right now, so it does have a little that glitchy mode to it. But it's just a great app if you don't want to open up the RSS feed to see what type of articles are waiting for you to read in the app. So as you can see, it's really great app. It's a really great widget, I mean, so you can see all the information when you turn it on, the favy icons or the images of the blog. So like that, you know what type of article you're going into reading. Next, we have Lumi. So Lumi is just a fantastic widget that allows you to see where the sun is at this time of day. So you get, if you're a photographer, then this widget is a great widget for your home screen setup. Not only because you get to see where the sun is, but also it tells you the time of the sunset and sunrise, of course, the type of moon. If you're into the moon stuff, following the moon, you get to see what type of moon you'll have, a full moon, half moon, and all that type of great information if you're into the moon stuff. But like, of course, it's just a great way to know how long until golden hour is. So if you want to get that sunset golden hour vibe in your Photos app for Instagram, then you know what time to go out as well. And also, it's just a really, really beautiful widget as well. Next we have here is Muda. So Muda is just a really great widget that allows you to add your emotions of your mood of how you're feeling. So here, of course, you can see in the widget here, you can see how you were in every time or which time of day it was of the week, so that maybe you know what days are your good days, what days are bad days. You can quickly just see all that information from the widget without having to open the app, which is just really, really nice. And I just really like the artwork of this widget. It's just nice and playful, of course, and there's a lot of customization that you could do in the widget when you do that customization as well within the app. Next we have is Clear Space. So Clear Space is just an awesome widget, as you can see right here, just by the name of it. Clear Space is that it allows you to create clear spaces on your home screen. So this allows you to create some crazy fun default how do you call it, setups for your home screen, so that you can change it up. And it's just a really fun, unique widget to allow you to do all that customization. It's just really fun. So if you want to have that minimalistic, where you only have apps on the dock right here in the bottom, then you can do that, or you could just play around with that setup. It's just a really fantastic app. So that's pretty much it for the top apps for the month of July, or the top widgets, I mean, I'm sorry, for the top widgets of the month of July. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I did. If you guys did enjoy this video as much as I did, please do hit the subscribe button, because that does help a lot. Hit the like button as well. And as always, I will see you guys later. Peace.